guys, it's Kate from Mini Masterpieces. Today I wanted to show you how to turn your needle and change directions. So right now I'm just using an Oxford punch needle, but you can use any needle. This same rule applies for all of them. So we're threading, pulling our tail out through the back, and we're just going to do a few punches here. This is in primary rug backing fabric. So notice when I punch all the way down, I rotate while the needle is punched in the fabric, not while it's up. So we're punching all the way down, rotating to whatever direction you want to go, and then punching again. This is how you change directions. And then when you're done, you hold your finger on the back, right there at the tail, hold it, and then you can trim that end.